all the way back. Downward facing dog. We move to the other side. Inhaling, we lift the left leg. Exhaling, bending into the knee, opening up the hip. We're going to go for those hip circles. So working at your own pace, move with 6 circles, 3 in each direction, moving with your breath. Going as slowly or as quickly as you need, but really trying to warm up the hips here. Maybe switching the direction once you've finished your 3. Still engaging your core. And then once you've finished your 6, extending your leg all the way out, 3-legged dog. As we exhale, big step forward, left foot comes to the outside of the left hand, lizard lunge. Right hand goes a little bit further out as we inhale to lift the left hand up. So we're in our wide, easy twist once again. Working on our core here. Inhale. As you exhale, pressing into the left foot, the right hand, we step the right foot forward, hovering the body, engaging your core. Inhale, as you exhale, step it back. Take another inhale. We exhale once again, kicking right leg forwards. And stepping it all the way back. One last time. Exhaling here, stepping the foot all the way forwards and then lowering all the way down onto your glutes. Bring your left foot to the inside of the right thigh. We inhale to lift the hands up and exhale to fold. Working on our strength, but also our flexibility here. And as you next inhale, slowly lifting your gaze, uncurl your spine vertebrae by vertebrae. We're going to roll onto the left hip as we swing the right leg all the way back. Readjusting slightly as we meet in our pigeon pose. Hands come underneath the shoulders, lifting the chest. Take an inhale. We're squeezing the glutes to protect the lower back and squeezing the shoulder blades to lift the chest. The next exhale, tuck the right toes. Engaging your core, so pulling the navel in towards your spine. We're lifting that right knee and stepping it back. Downward facing dog. And then as we next inhale, we lift the right leg, 3-legged dog. Exhale, big step forward, right foot comes in between the 2 hands. We lift it up, high lunge. Inhale in your high lunge. As you exhale, both hands come down through heart center to your Anjali Mudra. We're bringing the weight into the right foot. As we step, the left foot comes towards our center. 1-legged Tadasana. We're going to move to our tree pose. So rooting and grounding through the